Start.
Hi guys, today I am going to share very interesting recipe with you, which is chili chicken. Indo-Chinese style. It goes very well with fried rice or chow mein. I think you should try this in your home kitchen. I'm going to give you very easy steps to follow, and you can definitely make a very good authentic Indo-Chinese chili chicken in the comfort of your house. So here we go. I will show you the ingredients. We'll go through the ingredient one by one, and we will show you the steps involved in it. I have actually divided this recipe in 3 different steps. First step will be preparing our vegetables. So here we are using some green chilies, fresh ginger, some fresh garlic, onions, preferably red onions. If you don't have red onions, white onion will also do. Some fresh coriander and coriander roots that we will be using for vegetables. Now, how we cut our vegetable? This is a very important step because in Indo-Chinese dishes, the cutting is very important. So we have diced this one. As you can see, onion and capsicum are of equal size. This is very important. So cutting them equally is very important so that they cook equally. Same thing with the chopping of ginger, garlic and green chili. I've done not very fine but roughly chopped. I don't want it to be minced. I want it so that you can taste them. So this is the ginger, garlic and green chili which we have done. Now moving to the coriander part, we have roughly chopped coriander. We also have got some lemons that we're going to use in our recipe. Okay, so this is about the vegetables that we have got. So this coriander is mixed with coriander roots as well. So we have got all the vegetables pre-cut for you. Now moving to the second part, which is the marination of our chicken. We are using chicken breast here. The reason I'm using chicken breast is it quickly cooked. It doesn't take much time to cook in the oil. Chicken breast. If you want, you can use Maryland fillet as well, but that takes a little bit longer time to cook. For the marination of this chicken, we have used corn flour, plain flour, eggs, garlic paste, salt, ajinomoto and some pepper. So this is to show you. I have cut my chicken breast in cubes like this, see, but again the equal size. We don't want it to be unequal in size. We want it to be so that if it is not equally cut, the chances is the one piece will be cooked fast and the other will be raw. So we want you to cook it in similar size, a small size preferably. Then for marination, I'll show you how to marinate it. We'll put 1 egg, okay, some salt, we have got ajinomoto. See, the ajinomoto is again optional. If you want to use it, if you like the taste of it, you can use it. If you don't want, then you can skip that step. Some black pepper, that's very important. You can have white pepper as well, but I preferably like the taste and pungency of black pepper. Corn flour, equal amount of plain flour. Now freshly squeezed lemon on top. Some people use vinegar for this step, but I'm using lemon juice. It's up to you. I like that pungent taste of lemon as well, that freshness, because this will add that fresh taste to your chicken marination. Now all we do is just massage this chicken gently and our marination is ready. See, it is equally mixed and coating of the chicken has all done. I'll put my oil on flame. I'm keeping my oil, so I'm keeping it for just medium hot. We don't want it to be too hot, we don't want it to be too cold. We want it to be medium. To check whether it's reached to the medium, so I will start putting one piece inside. If it starts sizzling immediately, that means that's the temperature we need. So it is cold at the moment, so we'll wait till the time it starts showing that bubbly signs. It starts sizzling. Now we can see some movement in the oil, so we need a little bit more hotter than this. So the second thing is that when you taste it in our restaurant, when you order in the restaurant, the only difference while we making in the restaurant is we use commercial wok burners to make this dish. With the commercial wok burners, they are really very fast. They cook things really very fast. So just giving you example, the commercial wok burner megajoule is 100 and it can be between 125 to 150 megajoule. That's how much energy it can produce. And our household burners are only between 5 to 15 megajoule. You can see there is a huge difference of the energy that commercial wok burner creates. That's how we are able to make these dishes very quickly. So now I think it is getting hot. And be careful while lowering your chicken inside the oil. If you're not comfortable with your hands, you can use tongs. We are used to doing this thing day and night, so for me it is not a big deal. But if you're doing it first time, don't use your hands, use tong, or you can use a chopstick for this purpose as well. Now our chicken is in. We give it a little stir. In the meantime, we will start making our sauce. Okay. We will start with putting some oil. Because as I told you, it is a chicken breast. It doesn't take that long to cook. It takes only few minutes to cook. Now it has become crispier. Oil is hot now. We will start putting our ginger, garlic and green chili all together. Just saute it for 1 minute. When you start smelling that, the flavor of ginger, garlic and green chili, you make it a little bit pinkish. In the meantime, we'll take our chicken out. So we are taking our chicken out. It's ready almost. As I told you, it doesn't take much time. This is chicken breast. Chicken is done. Now we are moving to our final step, making the sauce. Our onion capsicum inside, goes inside. Now you can smell everything. So the sauce is basically a stock of ginger, garlic, capsicum, onion. So we dissolve this everything with a little bit of water so we can create a little bit of stock, like a vegetable stock. So what I'll do at this stage, I'll add water. Now what does this water do? This water will become a sauce for our chicken. This sauce will be coated on our chicken. So basically, this is the flavor that we are mixing with the water. Now we will flavor this water with some salt, pinch of black pepper, some Derrimut if you want. Again, it's optional. If you want, you can have it. And adding just 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, half teaspoon of soya sauce. Now this soya sauce has got salt in it, so be careful while adding. Don't add too much, otherwise it will become too salty. Now I have got this homemade, our own home. This is Szechuan sauce that we are using. If you don't have Szechuan sauce, you can use chili sauce. But in restaurants, we use our own blend of spices which makes Szechuan sauce out of it. Now what I'm doing, I'm mixing some corn flour with water. This is a thickening agent that we're going to use it to bind all these flavors together. Now talking about Szechuan sauce, you can get it ready-made from Chinese shops as well and from Indian groceries as well. If you don't find one, you can either grind some chilies, red chilies, or you can soak these red chilies overnight in a water, and then next day you grind them in very fine paste. Now I'm adding a little bit of corn flour. The moment I add corn flour, it starts thickening, as you can see. This is the time we will add half of our coriander and coriander roots. Our chicken goes into it. Now it's time to bind it together. Now it's a great mix of spicy, sweet and tangy taste. Now the sweetness is coming through our tomato sauce, spiciness is coming from our Szechuan sauce, and tanginess is coming from our lemon juice. If you want to make it more tangy, you can add lemon juice at last. This will elevate the flavor furthermore. Now it is done. It's time to take it out. As you can see, it is coated properly. Now I will take it out and I will do the presentation part of it. Wow, see, it's still hot. It's time to garnish it. So you can use either coriander leaves or you can use spring onion sprigs as well. So that's ready. Thank you.